Welcome back to RevCheck. Today we're diving into one of the most extravagant and conversation-starting vehicles of the modern era, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome. When you think of Aston Martin, the first images that come to mind are sleek supercars, grand tourers, and an unmistakable connection to James Bond. What you don't expect is a massive rolling mansion on wheels. But Aston Martin has taken its design language, luxury craftsmanship, and engineering prowess and poured it into something completely unique, a motorhome that redefines what it means to live and travel in style. This isn't just about mobility, this is about bringing the Aston Martin lifestyle onto the open road, combining high-end luxury with performance in a way we've never quite seen before. From the very first glance, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome announces itself as something different. The exterior styling is unmistakably Aston Martin, carrying the design DNA from their flagship supercars. The front grille mirrors the bold signature look we've seen on models like the DBX and the Valkyrie-inspired aerodynamic touches, yet scaled into the presence of a motorhome. Sleek LED headlamps stretch across the face, giving it a futuristic and commanding presence. The body has a sculpted form that makes it look more like a concept vehicle than a traditional RV. The paint finishes come in signature Aston Martin tones: British racing green, silver birch, deep sapphire blue, and a custom matte finish that turns heads instantly. Every curve and detail is deliberate, merging elegance with aerodynamics in a way only Aston Martin could attempt on something this size. Step closer, and you realize this isn't simply a motorhome with a luxury badge slapped on. The proportions are balanced and sleek, and the flush door handles with hidden sensor technology pop out when you approach with a smart key. Large panoramic windows line the sides, flooding the interior with natural light. The retractable awnings are fully motorized, extending smoothly at the touch of a button, creating outdoor lounge areas that feel like you've just parked a five-star hotel suite beside a mountain range or coastal cliff. Even the wheels are designed in Aston Martin's signature forged alloy style, oversized to fit the stance, with a brake system worthy of a performance machine, giving the entire motorhome a planted and confident look. Now, let's move inside, because the interior is where Aston Martin has truly reimagined the future of luxury motorhomes. Opening the automatic sliding entry door reveals a space that blends yacht-like craftsmanship with the heritage of Aston Martin's leatherwork. The lounge area immediately feels less like a camper and more like a luxury penthouse suite. The seats are hand-stitched with Aston's signature quilted leather, available in colors like creamy ivory, jet black, or even bold oxblood red, paired with open-pore wood trims and brushed aluminum accents. A panoramic skylight runs along the ceiling, bathing the space in daylight, while customizable LED mood lighting transforms the ambience at night. Every surface you touch feels refined, from the suede headliner to the precision-cut switches. The living area is designed with flexibility. The sofas recline and convert, but not in the clumsy way of typical RVs. Here everything is automated with seamless motorized adjustments. A 75-inch retractable OLED display rises from the cabinet for theater-like entertainment, paired with a Bowers Wilkins surround sound system tuned specifically for this motorhome. Hidden storage compartments, temperature-controlled wine coolers, and even a digital fireplace add to the sense of luxury living. Moving into the kitchen, Aston Martin continues to defy expectations. The galley is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances from Gaggenau, including a full induction cooktop, smart oven, integrated coffee system, and refrigerator with touchscreen controls. Countertops are made from lightweight composite marble, offering both durability and elegance. Aston has even integrated smart home controls so you can manage lighting, climate, appliances, and entertainment through a central tablet or your voice. The bathroom feels like it belongs in a luxury spa rather than a vehicle. We're talking rainfall showers with glass enclosures, stone effect tiles, heated floors, and Aston Martin branded fixtures finished in matte black or brushed gold. There's a vanity with backlit mirrors and ample storage space for personal care essentials. Heated towel racks and aromatherapy options elevate the daily routine into a wellness experience. Of course, the bedroom is where Aston Martin ensures you never feel like you've left a luxury suite. The master bedroom features a king-sized memory foam bed wrapped in high-quality linens, with hand-stitched leather headboards and ambient lighting surrounding the room. A secondary retractable OLED screen is mounted opposite the bed, making it the perfect retreat for relaxation. Noise insulation has been engineered to such a high degree that even when parked near traffic or a busy area, the cabin feels completely serene. Now, let's talk about performance, because Aston Martin couldn't release something under its name without ensuring it drives like no other motorhome. Under the hood, Or rather, under the chassis, sits a hybrid powertrain that combines a V8 twin-turbo engine with electric motors, delivering a total output north of 800 horsepower. This means the Aston Martin Motorhome is not just luxurious, but surprisingly capable on the road. Acceleration is brisk for its size, and the adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride whether you're cruising highways or navigating mountain passes. Regenerative braking adds efficiency, while an all-wheel drive system ensures confidence in all weather conditions. Technology is another area where Aston Martin has gone above and beyond. The cockpit is futuristic, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a heads-up display. The steering wheel carries over Aston's iconic design, though adapted with additional controls for motorhome functions. Autonomous driving features are included, so long stretches of highway can be handled hands-free with level 4 self-driving capabilities. Integrated satellite systems ensure you can stay connected anywhere in the world, while augmented reality navigation overlays directly on the windshield. One of the most innovative aspects is the garage bay integrated into the rear. Yes, Aston Martin designed this motorhome with enough space to carry a small car or electric bike inside. Owners can bring along an Aston Martin DB12, Vantage, or a couple of electric scooters for exploring destinations. This garage is fully hydraulic, lowering for easy loading and unloading. It's an incredible touch that sets it apart from traditional motorhomes. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome isn't just about luxury and performance, it's about status. It's designed for the kind of owner who wants the freedom of the road but refuses to compromise on elegance. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but industry insiders speculate figures starting around $5 million, depending on customizations. Aston Martin will allow bespoke tailoring through their Q division, meaning customers can personalize everything from the color palette to materials, technology add-ons, and even floor plan layouts. In essence, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome isn't simply a vehicle, it's an experience. It's the ability to take a 5-star lifestyle anywhere in the world, whether that's the Swiss Alps, the California coast, or the deserts of Dubai. It represents the merging of Aston Martin's century-old heritage with the future of mobility and luxury living. For enthusiasts, it's proof that performance and elegance can exist in every form of transportation, not just sports cars. So, if you've ever dreamed of hitting the open road without leaving behind the comfort, prestige, and aura of Aston Martin, this motorhome is your ultimate fantasy realized. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome is more than transportation, it's a rolling masterpiece, a statement of wealth and taste, and perhaps the boldest move yet from a brand that has always lived at the intersection of style and speed.